Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. So it's day 2 in the base camp.
Good morning, guys. It's 7 a.m. in the morning, and we woke up to this beautiful view with the birds chirping in the background. And it felt so good to be out in the sun after the cold, freezing night. And here is the man behind the scenes who cooked delicious meals for us at this height. Big hats off to him. We enjoyed our breakfast with our new furry friends and kick-started our most awaited trek to the Jhandi top.
Guys, the second day of trek has been started and we are on the way. And it's full elevated path. There is no slope or straight path, just elevation. Let's do it.
At this point, every step was getting harder and harder. We were out of breath due to the high altitude. Our body was tired. It was some sort of satisfaction and curiosity which kept us moving forward one step at a time.
Guys, it's pretty difficult. We are just like 200 meters away from the Jhandi top. Snow is so deep.
This is it. We were at the summit facing the humongous mountains in front of us. And no words can describe how exactly it felt. We were just taken aback by the beauty of mountains and was also super proud and grateful that we made it to the summit and got a chance to experience this beauty.
Having our lunch with a view. Guys, you're done with the Jhandi top and I'm super proud that I did it because in halfway I was going to give up, and yeah, super excited and happy. Guys, we're going down and I guess I'm super excited to go down than I was ascending above because it's super fun to slide. We've fallen a lot of times. What happened, Prasanna? Any difficulty?
Yes, dude. Look at here.
Oh, glitter has come off.
It's
Guys,
really hard.
these are the props you have to wear.
The next morning, we began our trek to the Bikata lake, and it was our last day up here in the Himalayas. Today, the way was through the enclosed forest with huge trees covering up the sky, and it looked so beautiful to see it from down. If I say so, it looked like an art done on the sky. It felt so good to be here with the nature, disconnected with the outside world. enjoying every moment, even the hardships made it so special.
It's like just 10 or 15 minutes left to reach the top. Currently we are at the Bikatar camp where people have pitched their tents. The views are just getting better and better, and the one happiest thing happened is that today the way is much easier than yesterday, so I'm happy about that. Yeah, finally reached to the point. It has been a lot of hard work. Oh my god, it's a slope. Guys, this is the frozen lake. Just see how it is frozen. Can you see it? Oh, yeah. See this. See this. Can you see it?
Later, we descended to our base camp and spent our last evening by relaxing. And it's the next day, we are descending to Luhajang, leaving the winterland behind with a heavy heart and lot of happy memories. It's a sunny day, all the snow was gone from the trail and everything looked different without the snow, and we were so lucky to experience both the weathers, the summer and winter, which made a huge difference. By afternoon we reached our camp, and just after that it started pouring, and the weathers in mountains are so unpredictable. After a while we went down to the village just to roam around and met the small bundle of happiness, and I just realized I'm enjoying and living every moment here, and so thankful to the nature to show its beauty like this. I was just blown away with all of its beauty. My heart was filled with joy with all the experiences, and with this we came to a beautiful end with the journey to the almighty Himalayas.